This is the reason why your data burns very fast. In this video, I want to show you some settings to activate and deactivate in order to avoid your mobile data subscription from running out very fast. So let's get started. So for us to get started, first of all, head over to your Play Store. So when you click on your Play Store, the first thing you're going to target is this point where your profile icon is. So click on your profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, scroll down to locate where there is a setting button. So at this point here, this is where the setting is in my mobile phone. So when I click on these settings, there are things I want to target. Now the first thing here is general setting, network preference, family, and about. What I'm mostly interested is this place they wrote network preference. Under it, you see that there's a place they wrote data usage for download and auto updates. Okay, so click on that drop down. So when you click on that drop down, the first thing you'll be seeing here is app download. So now when you click on this app download, it will give you some options. If you leave it on this first one here, on this one they said over any network, you can, that means any app you want to download, whether large app or small app, will download over your mobile data. If you leave it on this one that says over Wi-Fi only, that means it only downloads app when it sees a Wi-Fi connection. And then if you leave it on this one, ask me every time, you are the one to authorize whether you want to download or you don't want to download. So I will leave the settings in this one to say ask me every time, and then I'll click OK. So another one we're going to work on is on this second one that says app auto update. Now sometimes some of you don't know that your apps update automatically. So when you click on this one like this, the first one here is updates with limited amount of mobile data. The second one is update. Look at it. The first one here is update with limited amount of data. The second one here is update over Wi-Fi. The third one here is don't auto update. You get? So when you leave it on don't auto update, you are the one to decide when you want to update your app. Not each time there's an update your app will automatically update. So I'm going to leave it on do not auto update, and then I'll go back. Then the third settings I want to work on is this one that said auto play video game. Now this one, if you leave it on, let me click on it. If you leave it on, when you scroll to anywhere that has video, it will start playing even when you did not authorize it to play that video. So this one here, the first option here is auto play video. You see data charges may apply. The second one here says auto play video only on WhatsApp, as in only on Wi-Fi. That is, it should only auto play video when it's only on WhatsApp. And the third one said do not automatically play video. So I'm going to be leaving it on the third option, which said do not auto play video. So I'll be the one to choose when I want to play a video. So with these settings, your data would be lasting you more than expected. Hope you learned something from this video.